All right, guys, I couldn't help myself. I broke down. I got a new watch. This one is a Casio. I've seen on a couple different channels. Jody over at One More Watch just posted a video saying how ugly this watch was, and I loved it. It looked like the Doom Guy face. If you guys know what the Doom Guy is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this open, then we'll get started. Put that down very safely, very calmly. So much styrofoam everywhere. Casio. Put that off to the side over there. Oh, here we go. Check this watch out, guys. This is very 90s-esque. Oh, it even has little film on the top there. Let me go ahead and peel that off here. Very nice. This is the watch from Mission Impossible, I believe. Very cool little watch. The shape of the head of the watch here, very reminiscent of Doom Guy. I'm gonna just pop up a Doom Guy picture right here, and then we'll get a close up on this thing. Go ahead and take this off. So this is kind of like a G-Shock 5600, but this is, Casio. They're not G-Shock branded or anything like that. But it's a really cool alternative to the G-Shock 5600. It's not going to be that square look to it. It's going to be a little bit more angular. People are going to be like, hey, what is that? So, comes with a light there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. I'm not sure what this button does. What does that say? Start. Oh, that's a stop timer. Everything like that. It's a bit hard to operate the pushers. Just these top pushers, these bottom ones. Very nice. I guess that makes sense. These are going to be the ones that you're going to be using the most. Up here to adjust everything, you're probably not going to be using as much, especially this one. As you can see, it's kind of a little bit more recessed than this one on the side. And I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be. I'll have to take a look at that just to make sure I didn't get a defective one, but I mean, it kind of makes sense. You don't want this bumping up against anything, because even just pressing it right there automatically went to the adjustment mode. I didn't have to really hold anything. And I'm sorry if I sound under the weather. I have the case of the COVID, so my voice may sound a little bit more nasally. So if we take a look at the back here, so we have, I guess, I think that's plastic. A black plastic keeper. Cool little bracelet. Not necessarily bracelet, but band. With a little center indentation there going all the way down. And a little bit of expanding loops here. Go ahead. I don't think there's anything written on the case back. I'm holding it upside down anyways. So what does it say here? Casio DW-290, stainless steel case back, made in China, 200 meters of water resist. So it's pretty cool. I actually like this. Yeah, like I said, this is going to definitely be a hit or miss. Either you're going to love it or you're not going to like it at all. So let's go ahead and pop it on the wrist just to get a little bit of wrist shot. Right now I'm wearing my Llanos Avisos 300 meter diver here. This thing is amazing. I'm really liking this thing. Like I said, I keep saying this, but I'm gonna have to do a video on this really soon. The story behind this watch is amazing, and it really tugs at the heartstrings. So I really want to make the video right, and I want to make the video with as much detail as possible, because being Greek and then having a Greek-owned company design this and make it it just resonates a lot with me. So I really want to do it justice and make a really good review. So let me just take this off and I'll pop on the Casio. And there it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. It feels really light. It feels good. It looks, it looks just like a Doom guy, like the Doom guy's head on my wrist. I can't get out of it. I'm never gonna stop looking at it. That it just looks like Doom guy. I love it. It's very cool, retro-y, very 90s inspired. Cool alternative to the standard G-Shock 5600. Super cool, dude. I like this a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. You'll be seeing a review from this pretty soon. So give us a like, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.